Hey guys, welcome to English Speaking Formula. English idioms are not just phrases, they are smart tools that help you express ideas more clearly, confidently, and effectively. And in competitive exams like UPSC, SSC, banking, state PCS, idioms often appear in error detection, comprehension, close test, parajumbles, and descriptive writing. So mastering them is not optional, it's essential. Today we begin our journey with the letter C, where you will learn 100 powerful and high utility idioms. These idioms will help you boost your vocabulary, enhance your answer writing, and make your spoken English sound more fluent and natural. यहाँ हम idioms को सिर्फ याद नहीं करेंगे. We will understand their meaning, their uses, and how to use them in real life sentences, exactly the way examiners expect. So get ready because the world of C100 idioms is filled with clarity, creativity, communication, power, and competitive exam advantage. Let's start this amazing learning journey, one idiom at a time, one step closer to fluency and exam success. Call it a day. Stop working for the day. दिन का काम खत्म करना. After finishing the report, the team decided to call it a day. Call the shots means be in charge or make decisions. निर्णय लेना. The manager calls the shots during project planning. Cash cow. What is the meaning of cash cow? Cash cow का मतलब होता है a profitable product or business. बहुत लाभ देने वाला व्यापार. The company's flagship product is a cash cow. Get out of the bag means reveal a secret, रहस्य उजागर करना. Someone let the cow out of the bag about the new project. A change of heart means a change in opinion or attitude. राय या दृष्टिकोण में बदलाव को कहते हैं change of heart. He had a change of heart and accepted the promotion. He had a change of heart and accepted the promotion. Close but no cigar means almost succeeded but failed. लगभग सफल होना लेकिन असफल रहना. Your proposal was close but no cigar. We need improvements. Come to terms with means accept an unpleasant situation. किसी स्थिति को स्वीकार करने को कहते हैं come to terms with. The team came to terms with budget cuts. Come rain or shine. No matter what happens. Come rain or shine means no matter what happens. चाहे जो भी हो. We have meetings scheduled every Monday. Come rain or shine. We have meetings scheduled every Monday. Come rain or shine. Come to the force means become prominent or important means महत्वपूर्ण बनना. Several new ideas came to the fore during the workshop. Several new ideas came to the fore during the workshop. Cover one's bases means prepare for all possibilities means हर संभावना के लिए तैयारी करना. Before the client meeting, she covered all her bases. Before the client meeting, she covered all her bases. Cross that bridge when you come to it. Deal with a problem when it arises. Deal with a problem when it arises. समस्या आने पर समाधान करना. Don't worry about deadlines yet. Cross that bridge when you come to it. समस्या आने पर समाधान करना. Don't worry about deadlines yet. Cross that bridge when you come to it. Cut corners. Cut corners means do something quickly and poorly. काम अधूरा या घटिया करना. Never cut corners on quality control. कट टू द चेस मीन्स गेट टू द पॉइंट, सीधे मुद्दे पर आना. लेट्स कट टू द चेस एंड डिस्कस द बजट. कॉल a spade, स्पीक ऑनेस्टली इवन इफ हार्श, सीधे सच्चाई बताना. ही कॉल्ड a spade ड्यूरिंग द रिव्यू मीटिंग. कॉल ऑफ मीन्स कैंसिल और रद्द करना. द कंपनी कॉल्ड ऑफ द मीटिंग ड्यू टू अ टेक्निकल इशू. Cash in on means take advantage of an opportunity, अवसर का फायदा उठाना. The firm cashed in on the market boom. The firm cashed in on the market boom. Cast in stone, fixed and unchangeable, निश्चित और अपरिवर्तनीय. The project deadline is cast in stone. Change the tune means alter opinion or attitude, दृष्टिकोण बदलना. Change the tune means alter opinion or attitude, दृष्टिकोण बदलना. After seeing the data, he changed the tune about the proposal. Chicken out means decide not to do something out of fear, डर के कारण पीछे हटना. Don't chicken out during the presentation. Don't chicken out during the presentation. Chip in means contribute, योगदान देना. Everyone chipped in to complete the project on time. Clean slate means start fresh, नई शुरुआत को कहेंगे clean slate. After the merger, the teams got a clean slate. Close quarters means very near or crowded, निकट या भीड़ भरा. Working in close quarters required strong teamwork. Come up short means fail to meet expectations, उम्मीदों पर खरा नहीं उतरना. The team came up short on sales target this quarter. Come up with means think of or produce something. किसी विचार या योजना को सोचने को कहेंगे come up with. She came up with a new strategy for marketing.